Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean a microwave just using a bowl of water. So as you can see here, my microwave is really dirty. It's full of stain and marks. Yeah, look at this. It's really dirty, isn't it? So what I'm trying to do here, so I'm going to use a cup of water and I'm going to put it in a bowl like this, and yeah, as this much, yeah, maybe half or full, yeah, as you wanted to have, and I put it in microwave. I'm going to reheat it between 8 to 10 minutes. It's depend on you actually. Yeah, but once I tried that, and now I just need 2 minutes for that, because yeah, I've done it before. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to use tissue for that. You absolutely can use another thing, but I prefer this way because I'm going to throw it as fast as possible. But my suggestion is microfiber clothes is also good. Yeah. I'm gonna clean it all over the place, from the corner into corner, and also this area that I've been cleaning before. Clean into the corner, yes, and yeah, also the plates. Squish, squish, squish. It works, see? And put it back into the place. And voila, it's done already. I hope this video is beneficial for you guys. Sorry, my English is not perfect, yeah, but thank you.